11:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northeast of Crawfordsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Kirkland, Colfax, Clarksville, and Michigantown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 148 and 162. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Montgomery, and Tippecanoe.